In this video, you'll learn how to manage notifications in Claude AI so you never miss a response, even when you're working in another tab. Let's get started on the web version of Claude at claude.ai. First, make sure you're signed in and looking at the main interface where you usually chat. On the screen, look toward the bottom left corner. You'll see your profile area there, typically represented by a small avatar or icon. This profile icon is your starting point for accessing account-related options and settings. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you do, a small menu will appear with a few different choices related to your account. From this menu, you want to open the main settings area. Look for the option labeled settings and select it. This will open a new panel or page where all of your configurable options for Claude are grouped together. Inside the settings area, you'll see a list of categories. These help keep things organized so you don't have to hunt through a long list of unrelated options. For notification controls, you'll be working in the General section. Find and click General. This section usually includes everyday preferences like language, interface behavior, and, in this case, notifications. Once you're in the General settings, scroll down until you see a section labeled Notifications. Take your time here, since this is where Claude controls how and when it alerts you. Within this notifications section, look for an option called Response Completions. This setting manages whether Claude sends you a browser push notification when a response is finished. Now let's talk about what this specific option does. The Response Completions toggle is part of a 2026 update that makes Claude more convenient to use while multitasking. When this is turned on, Claude can send a browser push notification to your device if you're in another tab or application while it's generating a response. That way you don't have to sit and wait on the page. You can switch to something else and your browser will let you know as soon as Claude is done. To enable this, simply toggle response completions to the on position. Depending on your browser, the first time you do this, you may see a small pop-up asking if you want to allow notifications from Claude.ai. It's important to choose Allow, otherwise the site won't be able to send you any alerts, even if the toggle is switched on inside the Claude settings. If you accidentally block notifications, you can fix this later in your browser's site settings. Once response completions is on and your browser permissions are set correctly, you should start receiving notifications whenever Claude finishes a response and you're not actively looking at that tab. If you later decide that the alerts are too frequent or distracting, you can return to the same place in settings, under General, scroll back down to Notifications, and turn that toggle off again. That's all you need to do. You've now set up notification management in Claude AI on the web, using the response completion setting to get timely browser push notifications while you work in other tabs.